How to hide your WhatsApp status on Android. This tutorial shows you how to control who can see your status updates in just a few steps. First, open the WhatsApp app on your Android device. After that, tap on the three dots at the top right of the screen. From there, tap on Settings. At this point, tap on Privacy to open your privacy settings. In the next step, tap on Status to open the status privacy options. From there, let me show you. You'll see three options: My Contacts Except, and Only Share With. At this stage, if you want to hide your status from everyone, tap on Only Share With and leave the list empty. This way, no one will be able to see your status updates. Following this, if you want to hide your status from specific people, tap on My Contacts Except and select the contacts you want to exclude from seeing your status updates. Once done, tap on Done to save your privacy settings. From here, your status will now only be visible to the people you've chosen. Everyone else will not be able to see it. At this stage, if you also want to hide your status from being seen on the Updates tab, go back to Privacy and make sure your last seen and online settings are also configured the way you want. Here's an important note. Even if you hide your status from certain contacts, they will still be able to see that you have a status. They just won't be able to view the content of it. Finally, if you ever want to make your status visible to everyone again, go back to the same status privacy settings and select My Contacts to restore full visibility. And that's it. If this guide helped you hide your WhatsApp status, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.